Hello, in this video we are answering how many integers between 50 and 100 inclusive are divisible by 2 or 3. We have our keywords between 50 and 100, inclusive, and divisible by 2 or 3. The numbers from 50 to 100 are inclusive, so we have to include these numbers. We need to find out how many numbers between 50 and 100 are divisible by 2. What we're going to do is use a formula, largest number minus smallest number divided by 2 plus 1. In this range, the smallest number divisible by 2 is 50, and the largest number in this range divisible by 2 is 100. Let's go ahead and use our formula. Largest number minus smallest number divided by 2 plus 1. We're dividing by 2 because we are looking for integers that are divisible by 2. And we are adding 1 because we have to include both the largest and smallest numbers in our calculation because we have to have the number or have the exact amount of terms. This is equal to 26 here. And now we have to find out how many integers between 50 and 100 inclusive are divisible by 3. We're going to use the same formula. Or first of all, let's look for the smallest integer between 50 and 100 that's divisible by 3. And the smallest one is 51. And the largest is 99. This time we're dividing by 3 because we are looking for integers that are divisible by 3 in this range. Of course, we take this formula and we add 1 to it. And this gives us 17. We have 26 integers that are divisible by 2, and we have 17 integers that are divisible by 3. What we're going to do here is add 26 and 17, which gives us 43. However, we have to account for any overlapping. We know that if we have numbers that are divisible by both 2 and 3, they are divisible by 6 because the product of 2 and 3 is 6. What we're going to do here is also look for integers between 50 and 100 inclusive that are divisible by 6, and we're going to use the same formula. The smallest integer divisible by 6 is 54. The largest integer divisible by 6 is 96. And notice 96 is divisible by 2, 3, and 6, and so is 54. Let's divide this by 6, add 1, and our answer here is 8. So there are 8 integers that we need to get rid of from our total up above here, meaning that we have to subtract 8 from 43, and that gives us 35. So we've just answered the question, how many integers between 50 and 100 inclusive are divisible by 2 or 3? And the answer is 35. Hopefully that was helpful to you, and thanks for watching.